Hey YouTube, 85cc Master. This video will be of my freshly built upper pit bike track. The track is run in that direction, and you pretty much come from this side, go down those jumps, hit this berm, hit this side, go over a tabletop I got built over here, go around a berm, go through the woods, and go over a single and hit a double and pretty much run it like that. All the jumps on the right side are ones that I finished the track up with. Before, it was just the ones on the left. Those are the oldest. So it's a berm back there, then this double. There's a little tabletop right here. And the jumps are bigger in real life. On camera they're smaller looking. Of course, this is built for a pit bike. This is a little whoop section I built. It's clay and dirt mix. This is a double. There's a double right there. A little roller right here. Dirt clay mix. There's the step up onto the table. There's that double I was speaking of right there. And there's that step up onto the table. And then it turns around right here. I don't have the berms built yet, but those will come. So that's a finished update on my, and then you go through the woods right here to hit that double right there behind that tree. So that's a little preview. I'll get some helmet cams of this track soon, so stay tuned. This has been 85cc Master. Y'all have a good one.